Hello everyone! Today I'll guide you through creating a clean and professional header for your WordPress website using Elementor Pro. To get started, head over to Elementor's templates and click on Section. Add a new section and name it Header. I'll call mine Main Header. Our approach is simple. We're building the header from scratch. Begin by adding a container, and within that, another one for structure. Duplicate the structure twice for the 3 columns we need. Next, upload your logo or choose from the media library. After updating, head back to the header editor to add your WordPress menu. Adjust the elements as needed, fine-tuning alignments with advanced settings. Give your menu a stylistic touch. And add a button, customizing its color and font for a cohesive look. Now, let's add some stylistic touches. Apply a border radius for rounded corners. And use box shadow for a subtle depth effect. Once satisfied, publish your changes, apply the header to the entire site, and save your work. Preview to ensure everything looks good. If adjustments are needed, revisit the Elementor editor for fine-tuning. And there you have it, a polished, professional header for your WordPress website, crafted effortlessly with Elementor Pro. Feel free to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. Happy designing!